here at my local Home Depot, and can you believe it? I need to build something with $50 worth of materials. Let's see what I'm buying. And it's $49.68 before tax. An amazing day for building a project. And I got from Home Depot a 10 feet copper pipe, some fittings. I'm starting with marking 5-inch segments, and now I'm cutting the pipe. It's that easy. So I have all the pieces, and now I will do something like this, and like this, and like this. So I have two options. One would be like this, or like this, and after that like this. And this is how my base looks like. I have 80 inches of remaining length pipe, and I will cut a 20-inch segment, and I will start from there. When you're doing any plumbing, copper line installation, you will also need to deburr the pipe, but this is not a plumbing. This is a different type of build. I'm applying the flux, and this goes only on the pipe, not on the fitting, like this. And I'm using my laser to make straight cuts. I'm lasered. I was able to install some wooden dowels, and I used some rubber to hold them in place because the diameter of the dowels was smaller than the diameter of the pipe. Laser again to cut the dowels. Pretty good. I have some free recycled lumber, which I will also use on this build. Any glue up, first it's the dry fit, and after that gluing and clamping. This is how I attached the top to the base. I was using this plate and wooden dowels, and it works great. Next day, early in the morning, my mug goes on the table, but I'm second in line because my 2-year-old wanted to have breakfast on the new table.